Hello, my dear viewers. This is Dukas Kavi Abhinav's YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 4th of April 2023. The day is not Tuesday. Yeah, it is Tuesday. Good. So today is Tuesday, and I am a Dukas Copy Trader community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not an employee. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or whatever trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this live stream are of my own. Let me tell you, we'll be strictly discussing the price action and we'll not be talking about any fundamental things in this program. And we'll only focus on the candlestick charts. And also, we'll not be using any other type of charts other than the candlestick charts. Before I take you to the risk disclaimer, let me welcome my friend MGA. Hello, MGA. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining me in the beginning. I don't want to waste any time today. I want to finish it off in the 30 minutes because there has been actually a lot of movement. But I need to go somewhere in 30 minutes or so. So let me take you through the important levels to watch tomorrow or maybe today. So first things first, let us have a look at the risk disclaimer. Those who are watching the recording of this session, please go through the risk disclaimer properly. It is very important. And the next thing is the dollar index. Okay, so MJ, if you have been here yesterday, yes you were, I think. So yesterday we were discussing that on the 1 hour, actually we were discussing that on 1 hour there was this fair value gap and we were expecting this fair value gap to be respected. Actually this fair value gap got respected. This fair value gap, no, not here, sorry, not this one. That fair value gap was somewhere else, I think. Wait, was it here? Now I have forgotten. Okay, but whatever it is. Okay, so now on the 4 hour, if you switch, I'm sorry, I have forgotten what was there yesterday, but yes, now the price has entered again within this falling channel and the horizontal levels that we have to see is 100.93. What do you mean by Brent? Was it there in the Brent? That gap. Okay, all right. No, that was the gap. That is different gap. That is gap up and gap down. What I am talking about here is the fair value gap. You know the difference between the two? No, I do not. Okay, maybe in the future I will tell you. Not today because today is not the time. So just keep in mind that now that since the price has entered within this channel again, at least on 1 hour, I think we should be expecting now the lower level to be tested. Okay, that is 100.93 because this level has already been taken out now. So you see the market structure was down. Okay, and this was the lowest low before the price made this high. So these were the two levels that we were observing, and since this level is broken now, the next level that we have to watch is this one. Okay, this is 100.65. So let us see if the 100.65 is tested or not. That's it, nothing. On the 4 hour, you will see that if the price starts going up from here, this level of 101.53 will be acting as a resistance. Okay, so what about euro? Euro has finally on 1 hour on intraday, I will say it has broken out of the resistance of 1.0940. Okay, and has made an intraday high. See here, 1.0973. It is sufficient. It is sufficient to be called as a breakout, but we have daily candle to be closed. Okay, this is a very huge resistance. If we close a daily candle above it convincingly, not in this pattern, okay, we need a close a bit higher than 1.0945. So if we close a daily candle above this, then we can expect something like this to happen. Okay, the one. So expect now 1.0940 area to act as a support, at least on the intraday. When the price goes here, it may act as a support and the price can then jump higher. And so if you ask me that now where is the support, so this region now should act as a support. Now the region which we are expecting to act as a resistance, now it will be acting as a support, and now the resistance will be on the higher side, which is around 1.1032 area. Okay, so keep these two levels in your mind. Pound on the similar, actually pound is now even better. Why? Because it has clean break above this triple top. Okay, it has a clean break above this triple top. We were expecting a lower low and lower high to be formed, but that lower high has been breached by a higher high. So we have made a higher high here already. And also in this market, expect if the price comes down for some time, expect this to act as a support. Now 1.2447 to 1.2430 area may act as a very good support for the price to let it go higher. Actually I have not marked the higher levels in the pound. I think we should, at least weekly, these levels we should mark. Okay, these levels 1.2666, I think that is a weekly pivot, so I will keep that on my chart. So that should be our next target. On the lower side, in the pound, we have support at this broken rectangle area, and on the high side we will be targeting 1.2666. That helps, if that helps. Okay, well, in the Australian dollar I see something peculiar in the 5 minutes, but I will come to 5 minutes after I am done on the higher time frames. Okay, all right, so let me take you to the daily. Okay, you see that on daily the price was in a downtrend, then suddenly this recent high was broken. In fact, this prominent swing high was also broken. Okay, and the price started going lower, and we were expecting this area to act as a support. Not exactly this area, price went a bit lower to 0.6720 area, but yes, it is holding as a support on the intraday basis. I will switch to 4-hour to show you. Yes, this level is holding as a support, I will say, but on the higher levels we are finding resistance again. Now switch to 1-hour and you will know. You see the price tried to go out of this falling channel, but immediately it was met with the resistance, and now I think 0.6733 area is trying to give some support to the price, but it is always meeting with the resistance whenever the price is trying to rise higher. Well, if this area is able to hold as a support today, then we can see tomorrow 0.6783 and higher levels. Okay, so right now 0.6733 area is the support for the price on the intraday, and on the higher level 0.6783 may be taken as the resistance. I'm sorry guys, I'm doing it quickly, but I hope that you just need to know the levels. Now see this channel yesterday also we have talked about it, that channel's resistance may be the second resistance that we have to keep an eye on, but this line will provide some resistance whenever the price meets this area, because this is the line from where the price is broken down, and now it is trying to retest that broken line. I will just turn it to red because there must be some confusions. No, not red, blue, not blue, brown, no, but okay, blue. So this broken line, whenever the price is trying to, oh sorry, what happened? Whenever the price is trying to test this line, it is acting as a resistance. This is one thing, and after this is broken, we can expect this rising channel's resistance line to be acting as a resistance. Okay, and every time when the price is coming down, 0.6280 area should be acting as a support. Now it will come to 0.6273 area. All right, so lower side 0.6273 is the support, higher side this is the dynamic ray, this ray is the dynamic resistance, and on top of it this rising channel's resistance line is dynamic resistance. After that we have a resistance at 0.6364. so I'm just removing all the clutter so that you have only price action on your charts. All right, I'll remove this also, and I will remove these also so that you have a bit clarity. Okay, does it help guys? All right, USD JPY broken very badly today, very badly today. Yesterday I mentioned this 133 level, that now since the price is broken below this, expect this to act as a resistance. Now this is what is happening. Well, we are trading below 131.66, which actually we were targeting, or in case of support, we were expecting the price to take support at this level here. Once the price goes from here till here, we are expecting this to act as a support, but no, price went higher before touching that, and 133 it met as a resistance, and now the price is dropping. Boom. Okay, even it has dropped below 131.66, so I'm expecting 130.45, or maybe this bigger channels support line, bigger channels support line to act as a support, which is dynamic in nature. Okay, but on the horizontal point of view, 130.40 is the next support. On the higher side, we have 133 as the resistance. USD CAD, well, it broke below this level. We are already expecting 1.3515 to act as a resistance. There's nothing building up today, as of today, but expect the price to go back to 1.3515, where we can get a better selling opportunity with the target of 1.3261. So resistance is 1.3515, support is 1.23261. Okay, forgive me guys, I'm not talking much today. Okay, USD CHF, finally it has shown some momentum to the downside now, because Swiss franc being very strong today and the US dollar being very weak. This falling channel support area is the next target, so expect that area to be met somewhere here. Okay, so let us see how the things unfold. But RSI is very weak, it is even below 38. When RSI goes below 38, I become very bearish on that particular pair. You see now here, I will show you this here. So you see here on the previous candle, RSI went below 38, and this is what happened in the next candle. Okay, this is one thing. Here, look at here, RSI went below 38 here, and see the next candle. Boom, 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 boom. So boom, 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 boom. I just hope that you got the idea what I'm talking about here. So tomorrow, this may be a doomsday for USD CHF tomorrow. Okay, so keep an eye on this. Yeah, this must be 0.8959 area, should be the support area. Silver, well, the silver has taken all the target. It has gone much higher than 24.54, all thanks to weak US dollar. All thanks to weak US dollar. When the US dollar is weak, silver is rising. Okay, so the next target for the silver is 26.21, and expect this area like 24.54 and 24.81 to act as a support on the intraday. Okay, expect this area to act as a support before the next leg up. You should go like this. All right, guys, keep this like this. So this should be acting as a support now to the price. And gold has already broken higher than the 2009 level. So actually it can come to 2009 level, or maybe even lower, like if I have to make it like this. But you remember that yesterday we have talked about it, that 2135 is the target. If my friends remember, fine. If they don't remember, then also it is fine. So expect the price to come back to the symmetrical triangles support area to find a support, and then push towards 2135. Look at the volumes today. I mean, on this 4-hourly candle which broke out, and even in daily volumes are less, and actually it is already 12 hours left. So yes, there are 12 hours to go, but look at the 4-hour volumes on this candle. So this is a clean breakout. Okay, this is a clean breakout. What was the high here? What was the volume here on this one? The volumes here on this one was 11.6462. On the volumes are huge, so yes, vote is a yes to the upside. So 2135 is what you should be expecting in this market soon. Brent, like I told that yes, it will try to fill this gap. It will try to fill this gap. As soon as the gap is filled, expect an up move. Right now resistance is 86.91, support 84.27. That's it in the Brent. USDs are, I'm bullish again. Why? I don't know. Okay, I'll tell you, not bullish, but yeah, on some 4 hours point of view, you can say, because we are expecting actually 18.03853 to be acting as a resistance. For that price to reach, the price has to breach this high, then this high, so it will making high highs and higher lows. So what you can do is you can, like me, you can drop a small channel here like this one, and when this channel breaks to the downside, you can be sure that the market has turned negative again, or you can say that market has aligned itself in the direction of the main trend. The main trend is downward and it is the daily trend. All right, so expect a down move, like expect a down move like this. Okay guys, so look for a selling opportunity very close to 18.038 area. All right, Bitcoin, did I tell you something about here that there may be a huge buying here? Okay, if I've forgotten to tell you, I'm sorry about that, but I think I told you in the last webinar that there may be a buying emerging at this area because this is a confluence of support. Expect some buyers to jump in and break higher than 29,139. Okay, this was my complete sentence, I think, but yes, that sentence has not been approved by the buyers because we need a close above 29,139 to see 32,410, 417. Okay. Okay, so now what? Rakesh? You're saying that it's not going higher. So be cautious about this one. This buying from here failed to break higher than the previous high. This small term, short term, intermediate term high. So because this buying at the confluence has failed to go higher than this, so I'm being cautious here. I think that there is a possibility that the price will start dropping from here. Okay, so be cautious here. If you are long already, maybe you want to keep your stop losses below this low of this particular candle, which is lower than 27,190. On the higher side, you should be first targeting 29,139 and later on you should be targeting 32,410 just before 417. All right. Euro JPY, we have been bullish, but we are expecting the price, actually it has broken out, not here, but yeah, it has broken out like this, boom boom, before coming down. So yeah, I'm expecting a pullback and then push 146.72. Resistance right now is 145.66 and support is 143.13. That's it, guys. If you just missed something, please watch the recording. Okay, so 0.8721 is now the next level which you should be expecting as a support, but before that the support has come. Euro, yes, you said so. Okay, so it was like for Bitcoin, right? Oh yeah, Bitcoin, you are already long. At what price did you went long? I forgot. You were long at some higher price, what I remember, MJ. Okay, no time, sorry. So yeah, Euro GBP, Euro was very weak today against the pound. You can see that Euro was pound has shown a very good green candle, and the Euro has also shown some green candle, yeah. But yes, it has met the resistance, and for the pound there is no resistance on the way up. So Euro fell down first, then it emerged, and now it is trading above 0.8758 area. If that holds on the daily closing basis, we can see tomorrow 0.8823, but I'm not willing to buy this market because the market is in a selling structure. So I'm expecting to get a selling entry like on the higher prices. So till the time I'm not getting those, I am staying away from this market, guys. All right, stay away from this market, please. USA 500, I mentioned, I told you something about yesterday, that expect something like this. Okay, boom 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 boom, and then when the price hits either this rising channel or when the price hits this 4078, you should be looking for a buying opportunity here in this market. Okay, look for a buying opportunity in this market, guys. This is a buying market now. The market structure has broken, so expect some buying here. This is a trend line liquidity. That is a trend line liquidity. You mean a fake? Do you mean in the Bitcoin? This one? Which pair are you talking about? Fake. By the way, welcome to the stream. So you're saying that expect some pullback here in the form of like 3 waves here and then push to the upside. Okay. On the upside, first targets that we will be having is 4195. And if so, for some reason, if we break below this rising channel, then we will be targeting 3809. Faith, what? Oh, which pair are you talking about when you talk about the trend line liquidity? Okay, here everything failed because Australian dollar is so weak. Now 1.5848 is the level which you are expecting to break for us to go short, but the price went higher, not higher than this high, but yes, it went higher. So now we have some channel like structure here. Expect something like this to go like this for some. Okay, first let me clear all the clutter so that the things are clear to you. All right, so you see we are expecting the price to go like this to 1.5848 because 1.5848 was our daily pivot. We are expecting this pivot to break so that we can enter short sell orders, but no, you already said no. I will be a bar like in the market bullish market structure only. Now the market structure is something like this here. Okay, something like this here. But here, since the market structure has broken, so we are looking for a lower high in this market. That's why on the 4 hour, I'm expecting this to act as a lower high. And maybe very soon you will see the price going boom, 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 boom down. And that is very much possible because you remember that our Australian dollar is trying to consolidate and trying to make a move higher. If the Australian dollar starts making a move higher, then euro will start making a move lower. And let us see how Australian dollar is behaving right now. It is still trying to take support at around 0.6733 area. Well, it needs to rise from here so that euro can fall against the Australian dollar and we get a better trade. Well, it is not going to fall for us or rise for us, but still, this is the setup that we have. Ethereum, guys, Ethereum, finally Ethereum has hit the resistance again. Is trying to take support at the higher resistance turned to support 1855. If it starts consolidating here for some time, like boom, 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 if it starts consolidating like this here for some time and then eventually breaks higher, that will be huge for Ethereum. That will be huge for Ethereum. So expect Ethereum to hold this level of 1885 for some time and then break higher. That will be huge for Ethereum. But for some reason, if Ethereum starts trading below 1855, then I will be expecting a support at 1761, which is the recent low the price has made before making this high that the price has made just now. Catch JPY is going south today. Catch JPY is going south, but this is nothing to worry. You see that the price was already going down, but if you switch to the daily, you will see that it has recently broken the market structure, and 97.11 was actually the level from where we saw this up move, and I'm again expecting that level to act as a support if the price turns to here. Now it is still about 60 points away from that, 60 or 70 points away from that. So I'll not be very disheartened to see this bearish engulfing. This can only bring the price to maybe 97.11 or maybe to even 96.32, and still this market structure will be bullish. Okay, the market structure is bullish, guys. It will turn bearish only and only when the price establish a low, a higher low, and then that higher low breaks to the lower low, then only. Otherwise the market structure is broken. The recent high that the price has made, like this one here, 99.17 is the resistance. Now 97.11 is the support. I think I should take it out here. Okay, so yeah, these are the two levels you have to keep an eye on. You can actually remove all these ellipses so that you are not distracted by anything. Okay, so 97.11 is the area of support, and it can actually extend to gain support at around 96.32 also. USA Tech that we have seen yesterday, I told you that expect the price to come like boom, 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 and then take some support around 12,867 the 4 hour. Okay, so this was the area where we are expecting the price to take some support. So maybe the price will try to or topple down to 12,867 area before a fresh move higher towards 13,723. That's all guys from my side. We are still looking for a support in the USA tech. There's nothing new. Tomorrow I will see you. I have to go today. There's very less time with me, so please bear this session with me, and tomorrow I think I will be spending more time with you. I hope you got the support and resistance levels of interest that we are going to see in the future. Just keep in mind to not to risk more than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. Okay, and with this note I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new to here. Have a good day guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. 16:30 GMT. Yeah.